Last night, Romeich and Shenseea was on live, and they apparently had some bad service at a restaurant, and Romeich said that he would kick the waitress if they were in Jamaica. So I'm going to show you what go on with that story. Full details on the story coming right up.
Please.
Look like I wear this now.
That boy.
Give me angle.
Yeah, angle.
So sick I get tricked. Yo, stop. Should I stop the box a while ago? Yo, man, stop right now.
That boy, the woman like we. We know you choke me. Okay, no man, this. No feet.
Stop right now, again, what you do? Would you care food come? I say I want the ice lads. Would you care the food come?
No. We don't want the woman spitting on my food.
Yeah, but the ice lads are the appetizer supposed to come on quick.
Listen, come in, must say, I don't want the woman spitting on the food. Remember, say her oysters, she can spit in it and roll it round. It can go evaporate. The bubbles, them go away.
But we don't know her now, right?
It's alright. Me don't want to push her. Good. I will wait on my food.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Prezenta. Love your life.
Yeah, people. So like me say last night, Shenseea and Romeich were on live, right? Well, Shenseea did it on live, but Romeich did it, and it looked like they were having seafood as usual. You know what I mean? Them love seafood. Everybody know that still. But people, it's like them have some problem with the waitress, or the waitress have some problem with them.
I love my precious life. Despite this test of times, I make the best of mine. Eat right and exercise.
So I have the video for showing Romeich did pass some remarks. You know, Shenseea tell himself to calm down. And this morning now, or today, I see him put up an apology. So I go show that too also.
Yeah. Love my precious life. Despite this test of times, I make the best of mine. Eat right and exercise.
And people, the song that is playing is called Precious Life, and it's by the artist Prezenta. I'm going to have a little voice clip from him. I go play, and then we get into the Shenseea story.
I've been punching my clock just to keep it ticking. Tryna stay cool while the heat is kicking. Wanna reach a honey, but the bass been stinging. Real go-getter, no believe in quitting. If you feel recharge and restart, enough soul lost, some a sleepwalk. Even though the rocky road may seem dark, put God first with a clean heart. I love my precious life.
Yeah, people, so I was talking to the artist, and he tell me say the song I do good all over, you see me? So I ask him where and where the song I play. I'm have a little voice note with him explain. So I play that, and then we get right into the Shenseea and Romeich story. Here goes.
Yeah, me got over 25 DJs from different platforms I played. I have DJs in Africa, DJ Slim, DJ in London, big DJ over there in Selector Velvet. Holy part DJ.
Yeah, people, so now hear what the artist has said. I'm going to put him, link them down in the comment section so you can follow him career. But people, let's get into the story. So I have the first piece alive, and I'm going to show you, piece by piece, what occurred last night on Shenseea live. So here's the first part of the live. Here goes.
Where's the manager? What do you mean? Where's the manager? When the Are you serious?
She never put in my order. You tell me I tell about the waitress? No, people. Honestly, no. You know how long I'm hungry? After I go up on live, I'm going to tell you the real reason why I come up on live. I come up on live for this trust my belly. Because when I'm hungry... Hey, you not hear me attack, man? When I'm hungry, I'm miserable. So you tell me the woman really not put in my order? Hey, no, she have to get a little bit of disrespect. Just a little bit. She not... No, she have to get a little bit of disrespect. I'll fuck with that. I know, that's the thing.
Shot man, mind the laugh. Yo, big, go fly the manager then.
That's foolishness. That's spite. Should we for spite? Big, I'm serious. You're booking up and I like. I'm gonna kill me. After I leave my meet and greet right on time so I can catch the place here for come eat. The woman ate we.
John was start.
Suppose she just there run off time for come off a shift.
You can't believe the man.
No, that's
I
disrespect.
joke him, man. I think that was a joke.
No, that's disrespect though.
That gotta be a joke. I don't want Jay Parnham just want to kick where I put. That gotta be a joke. I know with this. I know that gotta be a joke. Alright.
John, watch your post me.
Let me take up that. Oh, wrong turn.
You see, Uno me puna get the food first, you know. She has served second table before the first.
Just sure which table. No, man, we still want to talk to him, manager.
Oh my God, them really share other people's food before food.
King, talk to him.
I hate this table. I'm hungry.
What? Are you what we want?
Of course, I met the woman. Romeich.
You hear what going so far? Shenseea say because of Romeich make the woman a treat them how she a treat them, right? But people in the next part now, when you hear Romeich the same one and talk to the manager. So the manager actually come over and talk to Romeich. And this is the part then where you have to listen carefully because Romeich not dep on screen. You have to listen to him in the background. So listen and hear what going on. Here goes.
Big up to Fire. We're the one that paying the bill and we ordered first. So why is it that we're getting our food last?
Honestly, I didn't know you guys ordered the food first.
So hold on for the food.
I'm getting ready now.
And the waitress have a very stinky. Very, very stinky.
I'll handle that for you. I'll handle it for you.
You need the manager.
She's the manager. Who's the manager?
Let us buy the restaurant and fire everybody. What is it? Let us buy the restaurant and fire everybody. Bring up everybody from the Jamaica.
They complained. Yo, I'm hungry now.
Yo, give a call now.
I should be there on live. Me have just behave, you know.
Go and borrow some man, kid.
Ah, no. Look on team. Eh? My boy. Give me a car now. Take it out for me, please. Yeah, I just want one bite. I can't even get my little oysters come, my little ranis. My little nothing for.
So that's what's going to come. Oh, here it is. Here it is.
No, my oysters down there. Guys, you know I love crabs.
Don't give her 5 bonus.
I'm addicted to seafood. Crabs and oysters, that's more. Somebody said kick with the girl foot. Hey, enough to stop it, enough. I have no more oysters. No more oysters? Yo, the woman don't like me, you know, serious. I'm showing on. No more oysters. I waited this long to hear no more oysters. I'm mad. See, man, tell you no. Feisty, no.
What the onion? Shani the cheese, sir.
Shani the G like a Z. It's not good.
You me tell us that we till I get the food first. No, you can't have a public place and people don't know.
Romeich put a shake it up. You're trouble. Nah, for real. I waited this long for her to tell me no oysters. What are we going to do?
So, I hope you did listen because what Romeich just said, him say if they're Jamaica in there, in kick her down. And that part, him apologize for because apparently the fans and followers, them not see that. You know what I mean? And so him should have said that. And them are saying like, him take Jamaica people for fool for passing remarks like that. Right? So, I'm going to play the next part where them finally get them food. And we have to just listen and hear what going. Here it goes.
She needs to get a written up stink attitude. I believe so too. I want to see it for herself. Or should I deal with the people them?
So, let's say food for come. Where are we at, man? We're planning to start eating. I know I'm going there. Come on, shop on her.
I'm done.
Hey, America, you know, lock up your blood.
No head.
Who?
Did you have that? I know what you had. I got you.
Yeah, should we know
What you wanted? What you had? You're good.
You did. What you order? No?
That's college.
I ordered calamari.
Jano. Onion rings of calamari.
Yeah. She can bring me onion rings instead.
Me check to what time we are gonna do. You go care about.
You know what, I'm going to eat, but another me have. Me don't want to old calamari.
Romeich is upset. Them sick away. I beg God now make a get in the way.
This is yours. You had king crab, correct?
Yes, love.
Okay. That's why I always say we all got to order at one time. This is what happens.
But we order one time, I still get the other wrong. Right. Oh, let me show you what I had. I ordered 2 pounds of crabs.
Correct?
But the rice not there.
I got the rice, baby.
Oh.
I'm going to bring it. I just want to get that out first, okay?
I feel it. Alright, John. What? She's like, eat me up so she hungry. What do we do?
Hey, we are reporting. Carlo Carter. Hey, this is Mr. King.
That's not true.
I'm gonna fuck it up.
Yeah, lobster tail.
Babes, I'm gonna go eat. Oh wait, no. Let me wait for somebody to come to pop up. Yes, she is mad. She's dealing with me.
Yeah, people, so when you see what I go on, I want to hear what Romeich say. And then today now, I see him post this on him story and him say, for all the ladies that took offense to what I said about the waitress last night, I apologize. I ain't no abuser, nor am I a woman beater. But hungry man is a angry man. Man, and that waitress was very rude. But I apologize for saying if a J.A. me did there, me would have kick her. Cause I ain't putting no hands or feet on no one. So I'm sorry. Okay, so people wanna think though, wanna see the whole video, wanna see the situation. Still, I'm pretty sure there were other parts when they're on the live, maybe before the live start or what, but me I talk about judging pa wanna see in this video. Wanna think Romeich did, you know what I mean, go a little bit overboard, or wanna think say wanna would have behave the same way. Tell me down in the comment section. Alright, so me just all leave it there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina! Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.